We have officially arrived in Greece and I am so excited to be here. So I came up to the rooftop terrace to journal and reflect and just think about how grateful I am. A year ago, all of this felt impossible and so far away. We're just here, we're back, and I'm just incredibly grateful. Today's our first full day in Crete, and we are spending the morning exploring the old city, and it is absolutely beautiful. We are making the winding drive down to the beach. All the way down. Welcome to Setan Limon. The goats just arrived. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a family on their way to getting pictures done is stressed out. Today we left Chania town. Girls, how are we doing? Good. Grandma, how are we doing?
Good.
So our number one goal is to not get a ticket. It's a bit of a tradition when we take these trips to get a ticket in the mail like 6 months later. Fingers crossed. So our family chose to stay in Falassarna. We decided to come out here because it's one of the most beautiful beaches, and to camp out here, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere almost, but it ended up being one of the best decisions. We are staying in an absolutely beautiful house, and we have one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, literally a few hundred feet away. So the north side of Falassarna beach has been wonderful. It's rocky, the girls are exploring, and we're out of the wind. But there are two things that you should know about this area of the beach. Number one, the rocks are really sharp. And number two, This is where the naked folks hang out. And you do you, but we're from the United States. It's just not totally a common thing, and it's been a topic of great discussion. It's all good. It's just, you know, something to be aware of. We had to travel first. Our first trip to the hospital while abroad with our kids. The girls were out swimming in some big waves and they had a little accident. Piper's head hit Ruby's head and her tooth went through her lip. What was the worst part of the trip?
Getting stitches.
It is date night in Crete. So we are actually making the drive over to Balos Beach.
Where Prince Charles and Princess Diana swam on their honeymoon.
I give this road 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10.
Love?
The drop-off has had me just going like this. Like I cannot look. I don't want to see it, and not in my peripheral. So we decided to come here to catch the sunset. We officially have, I think, 8 minutes until the sunset. So we're running. Oh, we gotta get there.
This is where Prince Charles and Princess Diana.
Okay. There is something about a camouflage bathing suit in Europe that feels aggressively American. Last night of the trip, what was your favorite part?
Ride in the waves.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Everything.
Oh, hey, sweetie, how was your trip?
Great.
Great. What was your favorite part about Greece?
Going down to the beach when no one's here and being able to sit here and being able to play on the waves.
Yeah. Windbreak. Down the stairs here. Woo!